If I can't find the clothing that make me feel like I've reached the pinnacle of what I perceive to be stunning or successful, then I will make it.
Ko o panuku tēnei. Concrete car parks, community halls, and some of the best op shops in the city. Today I'm here with Misty Scurr, designer, maker, a creative who studied fashion, but built her voice her own way. She doesn't just look at clothes, she understands how they're built. And today, I want to see what she sees. Alright, so we're here at Tipping Points out in West Auckland. I've never been to this store, so I'm already excited.
Neither.
I'm like overstimmed in the most best way possible.
For me, I've been in the fashion industry for the good part of 10 plus years. The whakaaro has essentially gone deeper into my why, which is following te ao Māori and making sure that I'm aligned with the values that I've learnt about.
What we're going to try look for today is we're going to be looking for items to one, accessorize. We're going to look for things to possibly use to make patches. And then we're going to maybe find some things to teach our whānau how to alter clothing as well.
Cool.
What's your process when you come into any kind of store or op shop? Like, where do you start?
This is me giving away my op
Oh,
shop
your secrets.
These are my thrifting secrets. So I go directly to the textiles. I'm where the bed sheets are, where the duvet covers are. Something like this. You know, it's got the colour, it's got the tassels, it's totally over the top. And it's something that I would look at incorporating into an upcycle. I also would go for something like this. See, these are table runners. You don't really look at them as something you can upcycle into clothing.
You already make that look cool.
All I need is just a little belt and then I'm off.
I've thrifted for years, but Misty sees differently. Well, let's make like our ancestors and let's navigating. All right. Aotearoa section. Cliff Whiting. I already have this one though, so I'll leave it for someone else. Oh! Shout out to Sir Peter Leach, aka the Mad Butcher. Finding these old vintage tea towels, we might actually be able to cut out pieces, so like that circle there for our patches. I think we've got a bit to work with already, but I reckon we should keep looking.
Let's keep looking.
All right, next stop.
Yes.
That's us.
So we've made it to Habitat and the goal is to find a really nicely cut and shaped men's denim jacket.
Batman.
I like an oversized men's blazer. It's my favourite thing.
All right, so how did we do at our last stop?
I found a beautiful suit jacket and it's Italian made and it's 100% wool, and I found a whole lot of lace that I'm going to use to feminine up this one. I'm looking forward to making the huge shoulder pads work.
I found a Batman mink blanket and you found a beautiful Italian made blazer and lace. Should we head back to the studio?
Let's go.
Thrifting's only the beginning. Ka tīmata te mahi tūturu ka noho ana koe ki te aroaro o taua mea. Ka tapahia e koe, ka whakaaro anō. We've got our vintage New Zealand Aotearoa tea towel that we're going to take some of the images from, make patches.
Absolutely. Do you know how to blanket stitch?
I do not know how to blanket stitch.
I'll show you how to blanket stitch.
Oh, these are flares.
Oh yeah, don't cut yourself. Those are pretty mighty. Those are mighty. So you're going directly down to the bottom, pull it through, and then you catch it right under there.
Watching Misty work, you realise how much knowledge lives in the details. He mea ātararanga ia tui, e hara tēnei I te kahutere. He waihanga whai whakairo kē tēnei.
You're amazing, bro. You did far better than I have. Watch you blanket stitch everything
I don't know
now.
if the camera can pick this up, but I'm sweating right now. I reckon last stitch.
Yeah. Nice, bro. Main mahi. You've graduated from the school of blanket stitch, bro. It's amazing. The best thing is we can just go through and keep adding patches all the way through on this jacket. I'm going to keep working away on it.
All good.
Okay, cool.
Kaore tēnei mea I ahu mai I te whatanga kākahu, I ahu kē mai I te matapaki, I te mātauranga, I te mahitahi. From Henderson racks to something entirely ours. That's not just style, that's craft, that's autonomy, that's thrifting Aotearoa.